What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's me, Lucky B, with another tutorial. Yes, it's giving Mike Tyson because I gotta keep the teeth straight, baby. Period. Now, today we're gonna get into how I turned this regular West Kiss wig into a bust down side part. Yeah. Okay. I am not a professional, but I'm gonna show you guys how to slay for less, baby, for less. All of the products are going to be listed below. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see how this wig came out, if you want to see the fit, if you want to see the look, you got to follow those social medias. Other than that, babes, let's get to the video. Alright, y'all, so what I'm doing right now is just showing y'all the wig and kind of giving y'all an idea of how it looks. This is a 13x6, but they didn't have a lot of lace on the side, so I wouldn't call this a frontal. I would call this just a lace front, if that makes sense. Now, we ain't bleaching the knots on this wig because, like I said, it's not even a full frontal. I'm not going to waste my bleach. But just for some beginner-friendly stuff, get you some foundation that's like a shade lighter than your skin tone, and then smack it on there. Be generous with it. That way, none of the knots show. And then bada bing, bada boom. What we're going to do is, since this wig is not glueless, I'm shaping it on my head right before the hairline and right below where the ears go. Make sure each side is even so the wig isn't lopsided. And we going in and just plucking it. I realize it's a lot easier to pluck at the beginning and then go back in and finish any plucking that you have towards the end once you glue the wig down, because you don't want it to be super bulky after you glue it down and then you spend all this time plucking it, and you could essentially rip the wig off your head from plucking it too hard. So I went in and I plucked for about maybe 5-6 minutes, but I sped it up on here just for time's sake. Now I'm just going in and I'm about to slick all my hair back. That way no hair gets in the way when I start gluing it down. Pretty simple stuff. If it doesn't look like this by now, or it doesn't look like a little bald, then maybe you should go back in and continue plucking. There's nothing wrong with that. I like to pluck throughout the entire install just based off of what I prefer. And if you guys need help with plucking, go ahead and check out some other videos on my page. I have plucking tutorials for lace fronts, synthetic wigs, and 4x4 closures. Now I'm just pulling it back slightly, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna put a whole bunch of glue on there. Now the whole 2 to 3 layer stuff, it really does not matter. You can put as much glue on there as you want, just to make sure that you know that it's gonna be clear before you actually put the wig on your head. As long as everything is semi-dry or dry before you put it on your head, and you put that band on your head, everything is gonna lay perfectly. So boom, I like to put a lot of glue because I like my installs to last for 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Like, I realize that this helps. So when you see girls on the internet saying 2 to 3 layers and they're not really putting a lot on there, those installs are only lasting maybe a week, probably less, or they're probably having to take that wig right off because they're getting a lot of wigs from companies. So boom, I made sure most of it was clear. There's a little bit of whiteness on there, but that's gonna be a quick fix because I'm actually gonna spray some ebon on it. Make sure everything's placed properly. This is not the time to shortcut yourself. Like, make sure that wig is on your head properly. So boom, I start pushing it down after that, and trust me, this is gonna stick so nicely towards the end. You're gonna be like, wow, what the heck. So boom, just push it down. Make sure no hair is getting in the way. I like to mess up the hair a little bit and then pull my lace forward. Boom. Yes. Make sure the hairline is pushed up. Even if you got to take it off and put it back on, it's better to do this in the beginning and then push down real heavy. Now boom, this is going to erase any whiteness that you had saw before. I'm just going in and spraying the same spots with the ebony. I'm not giving it too much, but I am going to lightly spray the hairline, and I'm going to go back again and spray it again once I cut the lace. That way I can kind of continue to reinforce that glue, that stickiness. And then I'm going in, holding it down really flat because I couldn't find my lace band. It's really smart to do this with the lace band first, but I couldn't find it, so I actually just held my stuff down and used the blow dryer. And then after that I cut it, and then I cut it at an angle with my razor. I don't like using scissors, so cut it at an angle with your razor. That way everything can look like more surreal, more like an actual hairline. And then we're gonna go back in with the ebony spray and reinforce that again. As you can see, it's already laying down really nicely, but it's not as seamless as you would want it to be. So we're gonna go back in with that glue. We're gonna pull it back, and this will make your install last so much longer if you do this little step. Like you see a little bit of lifting. Don't always just spray something on it. Go back in underneath and put a small amount of glue on there, and just boom, there you go. So I kept this band on for about 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes. You can honestly never keep this band on too long. You can keep this band on for an hour if you want. It's really all about how secure you want your install to be. I just like to keep the band on as I'm making my part and stuff. That way no hair moves, and that way everything can lay super flat when I take it off. Now I'm just going in and making my part. I did a side part, something super quick. It's not like a deep side part or anything. So I'm just taking a hot comb and hitting it with it, boo boo boo. And then I go back in underneath the actual side part and like create layers, and then use the wig glue on that as well. I just wanted to lay super flat, so I'm just going back in with that, nothing major. And as you can see, like, it's getting super flat. I got my hot comb on, I think 450. I put it on the hottest setting when I'm doing human hair, and then boom, taking that off. It looks really good, and I haven't even put any foundation on it or anything. I'm just going back in behind the hairline and plucking some more just to make it a little bit more surreal. And I don't know why I was talking so much, guys. I'm so sorry, but I hope y'all are enjoying this though. And as y'all can see, look at how I'm plucking it and the lace is not coming up. That's because I put so much glue on there. And when I take my lace off, the glue is going to come off with the wig cap. Everything's going to be super seamless. This is a good way for y'all to keep y'all edges too, by the way. So if y'all having problems with that, y'all having problems with lace fronts and it's taking out your edges, stick with me, Gookie. I can help you out with that. So right now I'm just making my edges, y'all. Y'all can do this any type of way. I'm not like the queen of making edges. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, but we're gonna do it the best way that we can. I think I might do like a more detailed tutorial of how I make my edges, because I'm noticing that like I wasn't really super detailed in this video because I wanted to like really focus on the install. But if you guys want an edge tutorial, let me know because I got y'all. Yes, I like to cut my edges with scissors and not razors because it makes everything more seamless. I'm actually making TikToks. I'm just realizing that. That's why it's like I'm doing these little pauses where I'm talking and stuff, because I'm making TikTok videos while I'm doing the hair tutorial. So yeah, that's pretty much it though, guys. I'm just about to make my edges, and then after that I'm gonna hit it with some foundation just on the sides that my lace is showing. So yeah, if y'all guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe for more, because there's more content to come per. And if y'all want to see how this wig looked on my birthday and what outfit I wore, boo boo boo, go ahead and follow my IG. Also follow my Snapchat if you want to see some behind the scenes, because I really be doing the most. But it's all love, it's all good vibes, y'all. I will catch y'all on the next video.